scratching is the use of scrapers, reference surfaces, measurement tools, and display agents. By hand the point of the measurement while scraping and processing. To bring the workpiece up to the workpiece's specified size geometry. A finishing process for surface roughness, etc. It is an important process to ensure the accuracy of machine tools. Due to the simple tools used, it is more versatile, less machining margin, and less thermal deformation. So it can achieve higher precision. Guide part in X, Y, and Z directions of the milling machine with chinked out CHA any turn. They have to be scratched and studied repeatedly. In order to meet the precision standards of the factory. Therefore, every process of the milling machine is chinked out to chain turret. It's not the price, it's the value.